back to Odom's Homestead down here in Zone 7A, Tennessee. Today, we're gonna be up potting these global garden community challenge tomato, which I'm growing them Belgian pink giants. And you can see they already setting bales. They got bales already. So they about ready to start putting out tomatoes. And this pot is way not big enough for two. See, they looking pretty lovely. Look. Yeah, we're gonna get that done. It's been doing a lot of raining here. A lot of raining. So let's get into it. This thing is heavy, saturated with water. Dump some of that mulch off at the top. Gonna set this whole thing in there. Clear this hole. I'm gonna add my all important bone meal and garden lime mix. That garden lime will help for to fight that blossom end rot, and the bone meal help the blooms. You know, I believe bone meal helps transplant shock too. But just my opinion. I want to get this whole thing without having to disturb the root ball. Let's see if we can do it. Whoa, look at that boy. He's talented. Boy got skills. You can see they already was getting root bound. God, I didn't get it down the way I wanted to. A little bit maneuvering. This thing's heavy. Yeah. And I'll get some more soil. And I'll backfill that. Most of the soil I used is homemade compost, some of my unfinished compost, and some of the spent straw that I had left over from winter. Get that in there pretty good. I plan on using this for my garden stake. Or let's just stick it in the ground right here beside it. Let it do its thing. If I had a hammer, I would do it now. But I don't. I might just stick it in the pot. get it in there without it falling. And I'll take some twine. This thing got holes on it, so I can easily do the weave on it and get my maters to go up here. Good. Yeah, that's what we got going on. We got Belgian pink giants off in here, repotted, on and popping. Look at the blooms. Look at the blooms. You see all the rest of the family maters. They coming out. Them Belgian pink giant tomatoes, man. It's just something about them. They so beautiful. They are so beautiful. Yeah. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. It's Odom's Homestead down here in Zone 7A, Tennessee. Y'all stay blessed. What I always say, growing's my passion. Bleep, 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 bleep. What up, Doc? Carrot. Get them groceries. Let's get them.